Right, you can probably see here we've got an Adwest power steering box. It's on my test bench. It's very grainy because the thermal imaging camera doesn't take very good pictures, you know, if you blow them up. But you can see there that this has been run after about an hour, and you can see some of the temperatures on there. The pump gets remarkably hot. It gets about 84 degrees, which passes that temperature onto your power steering box. They do get hot. Yeah, you can see how hot the nose is. The steel pipe one is the feed pipe, that gets hot. But you can see the thermal passage through the steering box when I can keep the camera still. There you go, you see how yellow it is at the front. And if you look at the bar on the side, you can see that's around 90 degrees. It's very, very hot. No wonder the damn things leak, eh? But like I say, that's just tested, so the seals are all good on that one. There's no leaks, and you can see the temperature at the bottom is only 13 Celsius. So it's an interesting thing. Well, that was just to test my ambient temperatures inside. It's about 15 degrees. So there you go. That's a heat pattern of an Adwest power steering box.